In this video, I'll show you how to make shiny text disappear using a clean and elegant shine-based animation. Let's get started. First, open your project in Capcut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that works well with shiny effects. Clean, bold, or modern fonts usually look best for this style. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Shiny Erasure. As soon as you apply it, you'll see a glossy shine sweep across the text as it disappears. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need any extra layers or effects. To control the speed of the shiny disappear, use the duration slider. Drag it to the left for a slow, cinematic shine erase, or drag it to the right for a fast and clean exit. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it matches your video's flow. And that's it. You've successfully created a shiny text disappear animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.